A year and a half ago, I set out to turn my boyfriend's bachelor pad into a home with zero experience. Some projects were tough, but one took 5 months, tested my sanity, and nearly broke me. This is that project. This corner of the living room was a disaster. Video games, DVD consoles, dog toys, books everywhere. We needed a storage solution that could handle it all and replace this bulky dog crate with built-in dog houses. So we decided to build a custom solution ourselves. It seemed simple enough, but as you'll see, things didn't go exactly as planned.
We have 2 of the doghouse boxes made. I did it all by myself.
Are you
really?
You're not pulling the shit again.
It was so difficult. Tim just stood off to the side and was like throwing stones and telling me like, you can't do it. And
yeah, all right.
I have never used a saw like this before, so. So Tim is going to drill a hole in the back of this cabinet because we need to be able to stick the TV cord through it. So yeah.
Theoretically, the only thing we need to feed through here is an HDMI cable and I guess power cord.
Tim drilled a hole in here, so we've got to plug it in. The router's on that side, so we've got to plug it in here. And it's going to go through into this this box right here. So You drilled the... Did you drill it in the wrong place?
where you wanted to put it.
So you drilled it on the left side?
Well, there's outlets on either side, so where you want to... Why don't we just do the same thing?
Are
over
you
here?
f***ing with me right now?
I asked you where you wanted
You
to
did
drill
not
it.
ask me any such thing. I don't think. Listen.
I asked you where you wanted it. You were like in the middle. And I can't do it in the exact middle, so I had to pick a side.
So you picked the wrong side.
I picked the left side. There's an outlet on both sides. Why don't we just do what you were going to do on that side on this side?
Because there's already too many electrical wires with the interwebs being connected on that side.
So
there's no space. So it has to be done on the right side. I can't believe you did that, Tim. I can't believe I just did that. I had the measurements and then I just realized I cut the board the wrong way. Alright, so I have managed to make some doors. So I'm just going to pass that over to him and then I have some stuff I got to get done. So we'll see how he does.
So Rose cut these doors and gasped, they're the wrong size. Well, not only are they the wrong size, but they're also not square, so they don't fit at all. They're like this weird trapezoidal shape. So in response to her cutting the doors wanky shapes, she has said, Tim, can you cut the other doors? And then abandoned me. And now I'm going to cut the other doors. Correctly.
So at this point I went to Home Depot, and when I was looking at their trim options, it was such a weird setup. They were legitimately like 25 feet long, and they make you measure out exactly what you need because they sell per foot, which I thought was pretty unusual. And then you got to cut it yourself with a very, very dull saw that just does not work honestly very well. So I was just sitting there hacking away at it. I'd also like to stop and point out this creepy Christmas decoration that they had out, Buddy the Meth Head Elf. And after seeing that, I had to leave.
So Rose asked me if I got any footage of me using the circle saw. I totally didn't record any of that, so...
Tim has cut a shape. I'm not really sure what shape this is, but he's cut a shape into the electrics on this side and on that side. What the is that shape?
It's called a triangle.
That's okay. Tim?
It's called... I made it work.
Listen, he did make it work.
It's called a show is what it is. And it's called... It took me a half an hour to do it. And I finally got so upset about it, I just went buck wild with the drill.
I mean, it works. I got a wallpaper around it, I suppose, but Sure, I guess. This is a brief interruption for those of you that are new here. I wanted to let you know that I post videos every Monday. So if you could like and subscribe, that would be a massive help so that this video can reach more audiences like you so I can continue making videos like the one you're watching now. Thank you. So right as I ask Tim for help, he says he's busy. This is what he's busy doing. So while I'm waiting on that first coat of paint to dry, I'm going to add wallpaper finally to this portion right here at the back of the box. Last week, I was convinced that I had made proper measurements and that I had exactly enough wallpaper as I needed. And that was not the case. So I officially, I did not make calculations properly, so I did order more, but it sucks me up to buy a whole ass other roll of wallpaper, like all of this, for this tiny little thing right here. Okay, so I don't know how I did this, but of course it had to go awry. I put it on the wrong way. Rotate this the other way, the wall. I don't want to screw this, like have it flipped around and then screw it up. Are you sure it's on backwards? just do it all myself. Excuse me.
I already drilled it into the wall.
Oh, I forgot to wear a mask that time. I can feel it. Was this you? Why is it all... Do you have paint in your ears? Why is it always you? Why? Why?
Twelve seconds later.
Reggie? Excuse you, sir. Was this you? Oh, I see it was. I gotta be honest with you. I didn't see it coming from you. I see you have white paint on your feet.
See, men don't yarn like that anymore.
Yeah, they do.
No, they do. When are you wearing a strand of her hair on your sweater?
All the time. I shed a lot more than you might realize. 'Did I ever tell you about the time that I sold my dirty socks for $20?
What?
I didn't. Never mind.
No. What?
Listen, it may have been more than that. I don't remember. I sold a pair of my dirty socks. Can you gun that? Holy did that work? I can't believe that seriously just worked. Hold up.
"5 months, a lot of mistakes, and probably too many trips to the hardware store later, and it's finally done. This project tested my patience, but I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. But this is just one of many projects to come, so if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around because there is plenty more DIY chaos on the way.